was terrifying.
Today wasn't that big a deal.
If this ever happens again, I'll die. I'll die.
Brian went to church and prayed for 2 hours.
We had an earthquake in New York City.
Minor tremor, earthquake happened in Virginia.
It's unbelievable. It was a perfect day. The weather was great. The birds were chirping. I think a butterfly flew through the house.
It was a horrible day. It was very humid and very sticky.
I was working out, trying to get all bronchi, and then all of a sudden,
Okay, now I'm going to tell you what really happened. I think we're having an earthquake.
I take away something huge from this experience. I'm a survivor.
The only thing Brian survived was a panic attack. And barely.
I'm a survivor of the 2011 New York City earthquake. Me. I did this. I got through the chaos. I kept myself controlled. I kept myself calm.
He even wore a t-shirt that said, "I was in New York City when I felt and survived the 2011 earthquake." Seriously? Come on.
Had a revelation today. Life is too short. After feeling an earthquake in New York City, I decided to put down the weights, pick up my ice cream.
Other than that, the day went pretty smooth.
I pray to God that I never go through something like that again.
That's it. Nothing else to it. It really wasn't even an inconvenience. If anything, it helped my day a little bit, so that's it. There's nothing to it. Best day ever. It made my day. I was happy. Earthquake, thank you. Come again, please. Honestly, what makes today such a big deal?
The whole world was shaking underneath us.